Naught but a painted black mommet am I, bought for the master's pleasure, sought for my beauty and a fine conversation, and these long small fingers, so nimble, so patient, ensuring the master's pleasure. So many masters, they walk through these doors, men of renown and of riches, some of them of a lascivious mind, some of them are frolicsome, loathsome, or kind, but all with their brains in their breeches. Whatever these masters do want me to be, I'll be before they can but ask me. Far lands scattered over with rubies and gold, a Shulamite's kisses to keep out the cold.